Welcome back everyone, Chef David again with HHS. This week we're going to focus on barbecue ribs. The same barbecue ribs that you would find in both our tailgate and our barbecue belt concepts. First thing we're going to want to do with these ribs is remove the membrane. And to do that, I like to just use a butter knife. I try to get the knife in there between the third and the fourth bone. Just sort of slide it in there as deep as you can get it without breaking the membrane as best you can. It's not always an easy thing to do. Once you get it in there, a little over halfway, I like to use the bone as a fulcrum to just kind of lift up, pull that membrane up, slide it around a little bit, keep doing it. Once you feel like you've got it nice and separated from the bone, then you can pull it off. I usually just switch to a paper towel so I can grip it a little better. Don't worry about it if it tears, just keep going. This is such an easy recipe. It's great for backyard barbecue. It's great for game day. We're just gonna clean these up, rub them, throw them on the smoker, and that's it. Classic barbecue setup. So let's go ahead and get started. So we've got our membrane pulled off. Now we're gonna give it a nice rub. I'm gonna use yellow mustard as a nice binder to help hold that seasoning on. You only need a little bit. You're not trying to get the flavor out of this. You're just really using it for a binder. So we're gonna put a little bit on the front, flip it over. Let's get it on the bone area. And we'll do this with both of them. Once we're good, you got a nice rub. Season it up, get it nice and packed in there on both sides. All right, our ribs are seasoned, ready to go on the smoker. We're holding steady at 225. I used a combination of pecan wood and apple wood. It's just a flavor profile that I like when I'm doing pork ribs. We're gonna put these on here for the first hour, leave them alone. Every hour after that, we're gonna come back, spray them down a little bit until they reach an internal temperature of about 200 to 205. It's gonna take 4 to 5 hours for that to happen. So let's get them on. All right, we're 4.5 hours later. These ribs are sitting at an internal temperature of 200. Let's take a look. Take a look at the bark on these guys, just absolutely beautiful. Oh, they really came out nice. Super excited about getting these inside and cutting them up. Let's get going.